Ever wonder how your computer communicates with other computers on the internet? How does a message from your laptop in New York reach a server in Tokyo in mere seconds? Welcome to the world of computer networking, the invisible highways that connect our digital world. Let's start at the beginning. What is computer networking? In the simplest of terms, a computer network is a group of computers that are connected to each other for the purpose of sharing resources and data. These networks can be as small as 2 computers in the same room, or as large as the entire internet, connecting billions of devices worldwide. Computer networking works on a series of protocols, which are essentially rules that govern how data is sent and received. Imagine it as the traffic rules that govern how cars move on the highways. There are different types of these protocols, each serving a specific purpose. For instance, the Internet Protocol, or IP, is responsible for delivering packets of data from the source to the destination. Speaking of packets, let's talk about data. When we send information over a network, it is broken down into smaller chunks called packets. Each packet contains a part of the data, as well as information about its origin and destination. This is similar to how a large shipment of goods might be broken down into smaller packages for easier transportation. Now, let's discuss network devices. The most common ones are routers and switches. Routers are like the post offices of the network. They determine the best route for data packets to reach their destination. Switches, on the other hand, connect devices in a network, allowing them to communicate with each other. Next, let's talk about network types. There are 2 main types: local area networks, LANs, and wide area networks, WANs. LANs are smaller networks, often contained within a single building or campus. WANs, on the other hand, span larger geographical areas and can connect networks across cities, countries, or even continents. Now, you may be wondering, how do all these elements come together? Well, think of the internet as a vast ocean of information. Your computer, using its network interface card, sends out packets of data. These packets travel through switches and routers, guided by protocols, until they reach their destination. The process then repeats in reverse when data is sent back to your computer. To summarize, computer networking is the process of connecting computers to share data and resources. It operates on protocols, breaks down data into packets, uses devices like routers and switches, and can be categorized into LANs and WANs. Understanding these basics is the first step to navigating the vast ocean of digital communication. Remember, just like the world's highways, networking can seem complex and confusing at first, but once you understand the rules of the road, it becomes much easier to navigate. So here's to your journey in exploring the fascinating world of computer networking. Safe travels!